Hello friends, welcome to Magic Storytime channel. This is a story about the mice and the elephants. Once upon a time, in a dense and beautiful forest, there lived a large group of mice in an abandoned village. They were happy and carefree, playing and running through the empty houses. Nearby, in the same forest, lived a herd of elephants. The elephants were strong and majestic, roaming the jungle freely. One day, the lives of the mice and the elephants crossed paths in an unexpected way, leading to an unforgettable lesson in kindness and teamwork. During a hot summer, the elephants were in search of water. They found a sparkling lake near the abandoned village where the mice lived. To reach the lake, the elephants had to pass through the village every day. As the elephants stomped through the area, their heavy feet crushed many homes of the tiny mice. The mice were terrified and helpless, hiding as the elephants passed by. Many mice were injured and their peaceful lives were turned upside down. One day, the leader of the mice gathered his friends and said, "We must do something, or the elephants will destroy our homes completely. Let us speak to them and request their help." With courage in their hearts, the mice approached the leader of the elephants. Bowing respectfully, the mouse leader said, "O mighty elephant, we are small and weak, but your herd is destroying our homes as you pass through the village. We humbly request you to choose another path to the lake. In return, we promise to help you if you ever need us." The elephant leader laughed. "You are so tiny. How can you help us? But I admire your courage and respect your request. We will change our path." From that day on, the elephants avoided the village and the mice lived in peace again. A few weeks later, the elephants faced a terrible danger. Hunters came to the forest and laid large traps to capture them. Many elephants were caught in ropes and nets, unable to escape. The mighty herd, once so strong, now helpless. The elephant leader remembered the mice's promise. He sent a message to the mouse leader asking for help. When the mice heard about the elephant's trouble, they quickly gathered and rushed to the scene. With their sharp teeth, they began gnawing at the ropes and nets that held the elephants. The mice worked tirelessly, biting through every trap. Slowly but surely, the elephants were freed. The elephants were overjoyed and deeply grateful to the mice. The elephant leader said, "You may be small, but your courage and kindness have saved us. We were wrong to doubt your abilities. Thank you, dear friends." The mice replied, "We are all stronger when we help one another. Big or small, we all have value." From that day on, the mice and elephants became good friends, helping each other whenever needed. So, the moral of the story is kindness and teamwork can overcome even the greatest challenges. And so, dear friends, the mice and the elephants taught us that no matter how big or small, everyone is important and kindness always wins. Remember, a little help can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Magic Storytime channel for more such stories. See you next time.